The Cybertruck was definitely the star of Tesla's Cyber Rodeo event held at Gigafactory Texas in Austin last week. It even got some time on stage next to Elon Musk after Holzhausen drove it up there in a moment that reminded everyone of the Cybertruck's November 2019 launch. This time, Tesla's design boss refrained from throwing any metal balls at the pickup's windows, though. Before we get into the news, I would like to welcome you to my channel. On this channel we look at the latest news surround the Tesla Cybertruck. If you enjoy the content, then make sure you like and subscribe. Now let's get back into the news. Cyber Rodeo attendees got to see some of the electric truck's updated features, including the doors that no longer feature any handles, the retractable rear glass, the side view cameras located in the plastic cladding around the front wheels, as well as a charging port on one of the fenders. Visitors also got a chance to look at the interior, but there was nothing to write home about as the prototype didn't feature a production-ready cabin. For example, the yoke sourced from the Model S and Model X did not feature an airbag, and many of the parts were not in final production spec. But there was something special that some of the people who kept a close eye on the Cybertruck got to witness at one point: the rear wheel steering feature. While this wasn't an extensive demo, a video from Cybertruck Owners Club clearly shows the Cybertruck prototype's rear wheels turn in the opposite direction of the front wheels. This feature will obviously come in handy during low-speed maneuvers, helping shorten the pickup's turning radius and therefore make parking maneuvers easier. Rear wheel steering is a necessary feature on a vehicle with a longer wheelbase than the Ford F-150. We've seen the difference it makes in terms of maneuverability on a massive vehicle like the GMC Hummer EV, although it remains to be seen whether Tesla will go the extra mile and offer something similar to the crabwalk feature on the Cybertruck. Elon Musk first announced the Cybertruck's rear wheel steering feature last year on Twitter. During the grand opening of Tesla's new factory in Austin, Texas, Elon Musk confirmed that production of the Cybertruck would begin there in 2023, likely at the beginning of the year. The electric pickup was originally supposed to enter production in late 2021 and was later postponed to late 2022. Here's hoping we won't see another delay and Tesla will start making the Cybertruck in early 2023. Tesla will finally start selling the Cybertruck next year, Elon Musk has announced at the opening party for the company's Giga Texas factory. During his presentation on stage, Musk showed off the production Cybertruck vehicle, which still looks like the previous versions, except its doors no longer have handles. The car will be able to tell that you're there and will know that it's supposed to open the doors. He also apologized for the delay on releasing the Cybertruck that was first announced back in 2019. Tesla's original and highly optimistic target release date was 2021, but it delayed the vehicle's launch to 2022 and now to 2023. The automaker will manufacture the Cybertruck at its Texas Gigafactory, which it expects to become the highest volume car factory in America. Musk touched upon its other planned gigafactories around the world as well and how manufacturing vehicles near where they're going to be shipped is much more environmentally friendly. This year is all about scaling up production, a scale that no company has ever achieved in the history of humanity, Musk said during the presentation, while next year is all about releasing a massive wave of new products. In addition to the Cybertruck, the company also plans to release the Tesla semi-electric vehicle next year, as well as other products it hasn't revealed yet. The electric big rig that's designed to haul cargo across long distances was supposed to be released in 2019, but its launch also got pushed back a few times. Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot will also start production in 2023, Musk said, and will be designed to accomplish any task humans don't want to do. Another future product we can apparently look forward is a dedicated robotaxi that will be designed to look quite futuristic. Before all those, however, Tesla will be launching a wide beta of its full self-driving technology in North America this year. Will the Tesla Cybertruck be the toughest truck ever built, or is it going to be a flash-in-the-pan fad that goes away in a few years? This new electric truck is the brainchild of Elon Musk, who proudly showed off this impressive machine on an episode of Jay Leno's Garage. The Cybertruck is said to be bulletproof, offers acceleration that rivals sports cars, and is extremely capable. Will it be competitive in a market where both Ford and Chevy have an electric truck? Before the coronavirus pandemic, chip shortage, and the Russian invasion of Ukraine, Tesla already had trouble sticking to a timeline. That hasn't been a problem for this company so far. While we might be upset if a mainstream company pushed dates back or promised something but never truly delivered, somehow, Tesla is immune to this. Both the Model 3 and Model X faced extensive delays. Neither had trouble selling at a high rate. That could be the same for the Cybertruck. Car and Driver tells us Tesla has removed the production timeline from its website. Previously, the scheduled production timeline was late in 2022, but now, we have no idea when production will begin. The reach of Ford and Chevy is much greater than Tesla can provide, but model by model, it's possible the electric vehicle brand could compete. Even though the Cybertruck showed up first, Ford is already beginning production of the new Ford F-150 Lightning electric truck, while the Chevrolet Silverado electric vehicle should arrive in 2023 as a 2024 model. With electric versions of the F-150 and Silverado, will truck shoppers look to the Cybertruck or stick to the names they know? While we're uncertain of the bulletproof nature claimed by Elon Musk, the exterior design does allow this truck to be extremely durable and provide excellent protection for passengers. The goal is to provide us with an electric truck that offers superior strength and endurance. As for that endurance factor, the Cybertruck electric vehicle truck claims a 500-plus driving range and enough juice to hit 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. These numbers are for models with the tri-motor configuration. Tesla also claims a 14,000 towing capacity for the new electric truck while providing a 3,500 payload rating. This is the big question. If the truck falls in line with the Model X, it will be too expensive for most truck owners. Thankfully, that's not the case. According to Auto Week, the promised starting price for the Cybertruck is $39,990. This will likely be for a model that doesn't have the tri-motor setup, but it's a good starting point. The Ford F-150 Lightning starts at $39,974 and the Chevy Silverado electric vehicle will cost $39,900. This tells us Tesla has their truck priced right. Tesla has a following that is almost cultish. People seem to flock to this brand and pay attention to everything coming out of the Tesla factory. The strong support for Tesla tells us the Cybertruck will compete well with Ford and Chevy when it arrives. We might not see this Tesla truck pulling a heavy load, but then again, we could. If the Cybertruck makes it to production at the new Austin, Texas Tesla plant, it could be a serious contender in the new electric vehicle truck market. Elon Musk is sorry for the delay, but the Cybertruck is totally coming next year. He's broken promises before, but his fans still buy the hype. Texas belt buckles. Super-sized silver cowboy boots. Drones making a giant doge in the sky. Elon Musk offered up several meme-able moments at Thursday's Cyber Rodeo to open Tesla's Austin Gigafactory. But the one thing Tesla watchers are all talking about is the Cybertruck, which the world's richest man announced would be available in 2023. Attendees were shown the latest prototype, electrically dropping rear glass and all. "We can't wait to build this here," said Musk as the vehicle rolled onto the stage. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe and like the video as it will help out the channel a lot. Make sure you do not forget to turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon so you do not miss the latest news surrounding Elon Musk, SpaceX, Starlink to name a few.